Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install the demo source for XMod Pro onto your DNN installation. So I've taken the liberty of downloading the demo source to a zip file onto the desktop. So we might open that up and extract those files. Next, finish to extract the files. As you can see, we have 6 files. 4 of those are a TXT or a text file, and 2 of those files are SQL files. Today I'm going to show you how to install the SQL files using Server Management Studio, as well as installing it via the host SQL module on your DNN installation. So what we might do is open up the Departments Table SQL using Notepad. I'll copy the contents within the SQL statement. We will open up SQL Server Management Studio. We'll connect to our tables. I'm just going to open up the database. In my instance it's called DNN 493, and we're going to have a look at the tables. As you can see, there are the current tables, which is a standard DNN 493 installation. If I right click onto the database and select New Query, I can paste the contents from my clipboard, select the checkbox to parse that to make sure everything works, and it does. I'll select Execute, and the command has been completed successfully, which has basically created a table within my installation. If I hit the refresh button, open up my tables, scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice that the XMP demo departments has been created. We're going to do that once more with our other SQL script. We're going to copy the contents and I'm going to right click on the database, select New Query, paste the contents, parse the contents, and yes, that does work successfully, and we're going to execute that. We're going to just hit the refresh button, open up our tables, scroll down, and as you'll see, it's created 2 tables in our SQL Server Management Studio Express table. Now, there's another option to actually install these via the SQL host menu on your DNN installation. Because I'm going to show you both ways to do this today, I'm going to delete these tables, and we're going to redo the same process but using your DNN installation. Select OK. I'm going to click the refresh button to make sure that everything is gone. Yes, it is. We're going to minimize that. We're going to copy our department's code again, copy, and we're going to open up our DNN installation running DNN 493. I'm going to click the login button, use the host or host super user account, enter the DNN default password, which is DNN host. Go to our host menu, SQL, paste the contents from the clipboard, select Run as Script, and execute. The query has been completed successfully. We'll do that again for our second table. Edit, copy, we'll delete that, paste our next query, select Execute, and it's also been completed successfully. To confirm that that has worked correctly, I'm going to open up Management Studio. There's nothing there. We will select the refresh button, and as you can see, we've achieved essentially the same thing. Now that we've got our table set up in our database, we now need to set up the form and templates for our employee and department sector. So I'm going to copy the department form, and go to my demo page. I need to install an XMod Pro module onto the page, select Add, and I'll also add another one onto the left pane, select add. I'll go to my action menus and click manage forms, new form, department form. We'll delete the content and paste our clipboard and select update. Now I'm going to go back and now copy the contents from the employee, edit, I'll copy that, add a new form, go employee form. We're going to delete that content and paste our clipboard once again. We select update and we've got our two forms installed. Click close. Now we're going to move on to the templates. So we can select department template. So I'm going to copy the contents on the department template. We're going to, from the action menus, select manage templates, new template, type the word department template. We're going to delete the contents and paste our clipboard and select the update button, and we have to do that once more for the employee template. So edit, copy, new template, type the word employee template. We're going to delete the content that's already there, paste from our clipboard, select update and click close. We've now installed the SQL statements which have created our tables within our database, and we've also installed the forms and templates. The last thing we need to do is connect them all together. From the actions menu, select configure. I'm going to select employees template and the employees form and select close. From the actions menu, I'm going to select configure, department template and department form. Select close. I've now created a few departments to save time. To add a department, of course, you just clicked new department, add the word marketing, click create department and give the page a bit of a refresh, and you can see that the department has been added there. So we now need to add employees. We can add an employee Ryan, surname Shearer, job title is the Director of IT. We can upload a small photo, select upload, and we can write some information. So this is some information about Ryan Shearer, the Director of IT, and he's from the Department of IT. Add employee. Now we've completed our application. You can select IT, the employees are listed, Ryan Shearer. You can select the icon and the details of the employee profile is displayed. Feel free to visit us online at xmodtutorials.com.